Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Given here with another reaction. And we're back again with another BLACKPINK. Yes, sirs. And madams in the comment section, how are you guys doing? We're back again with another one. This one has been requested as well. As you know. Pink Venom music videos. Pink Venom music video. So we're gonna react to this one. So I want to see all my blinks representing in the comment section, please. I want to see all my real true blink fans dropping a sub on the channel if you haven't done so already. All right, we're trying to hit 100K this year. We're trying to hit 100K, so let's go. Let's get it. Subtitles on. Whoa. Okay. The production on this already. Kicking the door, waving the 4-4. Isn't that a biggie? A biggie. Oh my God, I heard that before. That's a biggie. That's a Biggie Smalls style back in the days. But she said kicking the door, waving the 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎���. So but Biggie said waving the 4-4. Aight. BLACKPINK, let's go. This feel like it's an old school hip hop beat. But it's sick. I love it. Woo!
Since you couldn't get $1 out of me.
One by one, maybe 2 by 2. I've heard that as well. 1 by 1, maybe 2 by 2. I forgot. She's making so much references already, bro. Kicking the door.
Since you couldn't get $1 out of me.
The flow of Venom, okay. Ooh, I'm taking that solo, but maybe 2. Okay. I'm getting out of here, man. Get out of here, man. Get the out of here, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Don't do me like this, man. Come on, Pink Venom. Don't do me like this, please. Don't do me like this. Don't do it. Just leave me. Just leave me alone, Pink Venom. You're taking over my time, my head, my channel, everything, man. I love it. Woo! Waving the 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎�.
Since you couldn't get $1 out of me.
Hey.
Look what you made us do. a slow dance. Decided crime, so it wouldn't be me. So straight to your don't like.
Where's all my blinks at, man?
Straight to your don't like.
Where's all my blinks at?
Pin and aim, who got bodies like Rambo. Rest in peace, please light up a candle. This the life of a vandal, messed up, and I'm still in saline. Decided crime, so it wouldn't be me. Diamond shining, driving silence, I don't mind it. I'm riding, flying private side by side with a pilot. Up in the sky and I'm wild and styling on him, and there's no chance. Cause we got bodies on bodies like just a
Slow dance. Fuck.
난 속을 품은 꽃네 혼을 뺏은 날 Look what you made us do 천천히 널 잠재울 fire 잔인할 만큼 아름다워 I bring the pain like This that pink venom, this that pink venom, this that pink venom Get 'em, get 'em, get 'em Straight to your don't like, whoa, whoa, whoa Straight to your don't like, Taste that pink venom, taste that pink venom, taste that pink venom. Get 'em, get 'em, get 'em. Straight to you don't like. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Straight to you don't like. 원한다면 provoke us. 감당 못해, and you know this. 이미 퍼져버린 shot that potion. 네 눈아픈 핑크빛 ocean. Come and give me all the smoke. 또 원디면 more like I'm so rock and roll. Come and give me all the smoke. 다 줄 세워봐, just stop, drop. I bring the pain like Ra-ta-ta-ta, 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 ra-ta-ta-ta. Straight to you, straight to you, straight to you, don't like Ra-ta-ta-ta, 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 ra-ta-ta-ta. I bring the pain like
What the fuck? Bro. Bro. Gosh. The more I delve into this shit, the more I'm in love with it. The more it's taking up my time. The more it's taking over my channel. But guess what? I'm not complaining. I don't mind. I don't mind. The comment section is very active. The comment section, you guys in the comment section are killing it. You guys are giving me so much information. Every comment is like at least a paragraph in there. Like, guys, thank you. Thank you. I feel so welcome. I feel so welcome now. I'm officially a blink. God damn. God damn. Guys, if you're new here, please drop a sub. Drop a sub for us. We're trying to hit that milestone of 100K. This year, we're trying to hit it. Help me out here. Guys, this group is so talented. Like, I don't know what to say. I'm speechless right now. I'm gonna leave it right here. I'll see you guys in the other one. I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.